Day 42 of not removing my stops, trying to be a profitable trader. I tried 2 long entries here, but both of them popped without me. I just have to get into the trades that I call out, and then we should be good to go. Had I just increased my bids like $10, I would have been in that trade. We'll see if this weekly high holds on a retest for a long. All right, I went in right here. I'm trying it, and it dropped. I went back in on that wick. I'm in a short. Just needed to keep pushing down. I might look to get out at this pre-market high if it holds strong. Oh shit, huge drop. Oh no, got right back bought up. I actually am gonna look for one more rejection here. I went for an entry right here, but the same thing happened. It traded ahead of my entry. So, you know, this will probably just drop down without me. Well, there was my trade. I'm gonna wait to see if we get a pre-market high rejection, or this might just keep going down to freaking infinity. I screwed up moving my stop on that last trade too soon. If I would have had my original stop loss, I would most likely still be in this trade. I moved it because I was operating out of a place of fear because I had already lost the first 2 trades. And now this is what I get. Every time I don't think it's possible to get more frustrated by the market, something like this happens. I'm actually looking at 2 potential options right now. If this just keeps climbing all the way to our 200 over here, we could look for a rejection, but it also just left this gap here. So if it pulls back and holds in there, could go for a long up to that point. All right, I'm trying it. TP is going to be around this area right here. Good reclaim of the 5 minute. I love that bar. That was a disgusting 1 o'clock candle. Did go risk off because it was still below this swing high here. Oh, that didn't take me out. 45. Oh my gosh, I just canceled my freaking thing by accident. Oh crap. That was sketchy. I just sold right here. I went to change my order and I accidentally canceled the bracket. So I just went ahead and sold right here. I put it like $10 less than my TP, but whatever. I'd rather do that than get stuck in something that freaking tanks. We battled today, but that last trade brought us to $63 in profit, and it officially helped us wipe last week's losses gone. Once again, if I didn't lose my first trades, I would have a much more profitable day. This trade is actually pretty cool because this same exact setup happened I think earlier this week on a trade that I went short on, and I missed that there was a fair value gap here. So being more aware of that this time was good progress. Another frustrating day at the office, but at least it was green. I can't trade tomorrow, so I will be back on Friday.